Hi everyone, my name is Colette Silva. I'm here with Privé, and today we're going to do a holiday look with their holiday kit. There's 3 products included. It's the Prep and Protect spray, the Finishing Texture spray, and the Shine spray. We're going to use all 3 on this look. To already start, I blow dried my hair with the Prep and Protect spray alone, and I didn't really work too hard with the brush. I wanted to keep a little bit of my natural texture in there, and we're going to make kind of like a destructed, romantic, old Hollywood look today. So what I'm going to start with is, first I want to section off my hair. I'm going to take very rough sections. So now I'm using a 1-inch curling iron. What I'm going to do, just for these little pieces, is just to add a little texture. They don't have to be perfect, but what I am doing is making all of the curls go in the same direction. So since I started going towards the face on this side, I'm going to go away from the face on this side. And underneath, I'm really just adding a little curl to those ends. Okay, I'm going to take my other section down. Same thing, so this hair is now going to be curled away from my face. Taking my curling iron, and I'm starting the curl in the middle of the hair, middle of that section. I'm not starting at the ends. And then I'm working my way down to the bottom. And I'm letting that curl kind of cool just like that. Again, we're going to follow, all these curls are going to go the same direction. And if you notice, I'm kind of pulling the curls towards my face, so that allows my short hair to be able to wrap around the curling iron. Now these sections, they're going to go towards my face, since the curls on the other side are going away. And I'm just holding that curl slightly so it cools a little bit. Moving on to the next section. And I'm not being too particular with these underneath sections. The ones that will matter the most are the ones on the top. Kind of letting that wave cool in my fingers. Okay, and I'm going to grab the next section. Now we're on to the top. Since this section of hair is pretty large, I'm going to go ahead and break that up. Clip that to the side. Go ahead and work on this side. My hair. Find all those little straight ends. Remember, these are going now following the same curl pattern. They're going towards my face. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of the finishing texture spray just to kind of loosen up these curls, loosen up this wave. I'm using the wider side of the comb. I'm going to brush through those waves. Okay, I'm going to let these clips down. Now for this side, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of the Privé Shine Mist. And I'm going to smooth this section away and behind my ear. And this is where I'm going to use these gold bobby pins just to create a little triangular pattern. I hope you enjoyed this holiday tutorial. Please follow Privé on Instagram @PrivéHair, and I invite you to follow me, collette_stylist. Thank you so much.